In this video, I'll show you the complete step-by-step on how to import from China to your doorstep with 1688 Chinese shopping app without any stress. So let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link from 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more importation business tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So from 1688 to your doorstep, the complete mini importation blueprint. So let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to make sure you open up your 1688 shopping app right here. So I'm going to click on that. Alright, so having opened up your 1688 shopping app, the next thing you want to do is to search for an item. So these items right here is exactly what I'm going to purchase. So I'm going to click on the item link. After you successfully add the item to cart, next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on here to fill your cart. Then it takes you to all the item you have in your cart. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you select the item you want to purchase. So I'm going to click on here to select the items. Then I will scroll down. I want to purchase this bag too. Then I will scroll down. I'm going to purchase this. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. So from the checkout right here, you can still scroll down and see everything. Then I'm paying the sum of 438.39 yuan to purchase all this bag. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout and payment. And I click on here to continue with my payment. And I click on here to confirm my payment. Then enter my payment password. Payment done, successful. So next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to go back to my profile. So for me to visit my profile, I need to click on here. So by the time I refresh my profile, the items we just purchased is going to be found right here. So these are all the bags right here. So it is now the responsibility of the supplier to send the item to your shipping warehouse in China. Then from there, you can give your shipping warehouse in China an order to send the item to your doorstep in whatever country of your choice. So this is the complete mini importation blueprint and how you can go ahead and place your order from 1688 to any part of the world. I hope you really got value for this video. If you give this video a big like, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial like this. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.